Keeping your car's paint looking fresh and smooth is important for every vehicle owner. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best car scratch removers that help restore shine and reduce the appearance of marks on your automobile. From light surface scratches to more visible blemishes, these options are designed to improve the look of your car's exterior. If you want your vehicle to maintain a polished and well-kept appearance, these car scratch removers are worth checking out. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover is designed to restore the shine of automobile paint while reducing the look of scratches, swirls, and marks. The kit includes a specially formulated compound along with a buffer pad that makes the process simple and effective. It helps bring back the original gloss of the paint while keeping the surface smooth and clean. This solution works not only on scratches, but also on oxidation, water spots, and other paint contaminants. The advanced formula is made from premium quality chemicals that are professional grade yet safe and easy for anyone to use. It does not include unnecessary dyes or artificial scents, ensuring a clean and straightforward application. Suitable for all paint types, this product can be applied safely on clear coat, single stage, and multi-stage finishes without any risk to the surface. The polishing and waxing action helps vehicles maintain a vibrant and polished appearance. Carfidant Scratch Remover works on different colors and models, making it versatile for car owners who want to improve the look of their vehicles without costly repairs. The 8.4 fluid ounce bottle provides enough product for multiple applications, offering long-lasting use. The included buffer pad ensures even coverage while making the process easier. With this solution, light scratches, swirls, and dullness can be treated at home while keeping the vehicle's paintwork protected. It is an effective option for maintaining a well-kept and glossy exterior with minimal effort, helping cars look refreshed and clean. In our list, the number 2 product name is Stoner Car Care Prep Wash Removes Sealants. Stoner Car Care Ceramic Prep Wash is a liquid solution created to prepare automobile paint surfaces before ceramic coating. The 3.38 fluid ounce bottle is designed to clean thoroughly and leave no residue behind. It is formulated to remove existing sealants, waxes, and glazes so that the ceramic layer can bond securely to the paint. By creating a clean surface, it helps improve adhesion and ensures that ceramic protection lasts longer. This product is pH balanced, making it gentle enough for use on all automotive finishes while still being strong enough to eliminate contaminants. The concentrated cleaning agents work effectively to clear away leftover coatings, leaving the surface smooth and ready for ceramic application. Unlike ordinary cleaners, it contains no silicone or wax, which means nothing is left behind that might interfere with the bonding process. Application is simple and does not require professional tools. Adding half a bottle to 1 gallon of water creates the right mixture to wash the vehicle. After applying, the surface is rinsed completely with water and then dried using a detailing towel or chamois. This process makes it straightforward for car owners to prepare their vehicles without extra effort. Stoner Car Care manufactures this product in the United States with carefully selected ingredients to maintain performance and quality. It gives automobile owners a reliable solution for maintaining paintwork and maximizing the benefits of ceramic coating. Regular use before ceramic application ensures strong adhesion, extended durability, and a cleaner, well-prepared finish. In our list, the number 3 product name is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound Remove Scratches. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is created to restore the shine and clarity of automotive paint by removing common defects such as light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and surface blemishes. The 20-ounce formula uses advanced micro-abrasive technology that works quickly without leaving additional marks on the finish. It helps improve neglected or weathered paint by bringing back depth, color, and smoothness, giving the vehicle a refreshed showroom appearance. This product is safe for both clear coats and single-stage paints, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. The compound can be applied by hand with a soft applicator or with a dual-action polisher for more efficient results. It provides professional quality performance while still being simple enough for regular car owners to use at home. By using modern abrasives, the formula cuts through imperfections faster than traditional compounds while remaining gentle on the paint surface. The finish achieved with this compound is glossy and smooth, requiring fewer steps compared to multiple detailing products. It not only corrects the surface, but also enhances shine in one process, saving time and effort during detailing. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is designed for anyone who wants to maintain a polished, clean exterior without causing additional damage. Consistent use helps keep paintwork free from visible wear, extending the life of the finish. With reliable performance and ease of application, this solution is a dependable choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who want to keep their automobiles looking vibrant. In our list, the number 4 product name is Carfidant Black Scratch and Swirl Remover. Carfidant Black Scratch and Swirl Remover is designed for vehicles with black or dark-colored paint, helping restore the surface by reducing the look of scratches, swirls, and marks. The fine abrasive material works with the included buffer pad to improve the appearance of the paint while maintaining a smooth finish. This specially formulated compound is made with premium chemicals that are safe for clear coat, single stage, and multi-stage paint, giving car owners peace of mind when applying it. The product helps bring back the original shine by removing oxidation, water spots, and other surface contaminants. It not only reduces imperfections, but also restores depth and gloss, leaving the paint looking refreshed and vibrant. With simple application, car owners can buff by hand and achieve noticeable improvements in the overall condition of their vehicle's paint. Carfidant develops its solutions with high-quality standards, creating professional-grade products that are still easy enough for everyday use. This polishing compound contains no unnecessary color dyes or artificial scents, ensuring a straightforward formula focused on performance. The 8.46-inch bottle offers enough solution for multiple applications, allowing continued use for maintenance and touch-ups. Manufactured in the United States, this detailing kit is trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike. It offers an affordable way to maintain a clean, glossy, and well-kept appearance without costly repairs or complex processes. By using Carfidant Black Scratch and Swirl Remover, car owners can protect their vehicles, preserve value, and maintain a showroom-like finish on dark-painted automobiles. In our list, the number 5 product name is QUIXX-US Car Paint Scratch Remover Kit. QUIXX Paint Scratch Remover Kit offers a practical way to improve the appearance of a vehicle by reducing visible scuffs, marks, and light scrapes on painted surfaces. Designed with a German-engineered process, it works through a method called plastic deformation that helps repair paint layers instead of simply covering imperfections. This approach ensures scratches are removed permanently and do not return after regular washing. The kit includes a repair polish, finish polish, fine grit sandpaper, and polishing cloths, making it a complete solution for vehicle owners looking to restore shine. Its lightweight abrasive material made with aluminum oxide gently blends with the surrounding surface, bringing back a uniform finish while keeping the original paint intact. Suitable for use on all glossy coatings, including metallic finishes, this system maintains the natural look of the vehicle without causing damage. Application is straightforward and does not require professional experience, making it a reliable option for anyone who wants to maintain their car at home. With consistent use, the paint regains its smoothness and luster, giving the car a refreshed and well-maintained appearance. Manufactured with high-quality standards in Germany, this remover has gained trust among drivers who want long-lasting results. The compact design of the 7 by 1.5 by 2.5 inch kit makes it easy to store and handle whenever minor repairs are needed. QUIXX Paint Scratch Remover provides an efficient and cost-effective way to maintain the original beauty of a vehicle's paintwork. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.